In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Google Chrome not saving passwords. So to resolve this problem, click on these three dots and settings. So scroll down and click on settings. Now here click on autofill and passwords. Now Google Password Manager. Click here. Now settings. Now here make sure turn on this setting offer to save passwords. So in case it's off, so make it on. Also there are some more options. Sign in automatically, make it on. Use Windows Hello when filling passwords. You can make it on or off. And reopen your Chrome browser. So this is the method you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.